Welcome to Auto Gear, the ultimate destination for automotive enthusiasts who appreciate classic charm and modern innovation. Today, we bring you a deep and comprehensive look into one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This full-size automobile has captured the hearts of collectors and casual admirers alike, and it continues to shine as a symbol of the golden age of the American car industry. In this video, we will explore the Bel Air's design, specifications, unique features, and lasting legacy. So be sure to subscribe to reviews for more insightful car content and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air was introduced as part of Chevrolet's second generation of the model, and it quickly established itself as a leader in the market. It was available in a variety of body styles, including 2- and 4-door sedans, hardtops, convertibles, and station wagons. The most recognized and admired version remains the 2-door hardtop with its graceful lines and lavish chrome trim, giving it a truly glamorous appearance for the time period. This model year was significant as Chevrolet refined the styling of the Bel Air, adding new features that were both aesthetically pleasing and mechanically forward-thinking. One of the most defining design elements of the 57 Bel Air was its tailfins, which were sleeker and more prominent than in previous years. Accented by anodized aluminum trim, the tailfins gave the car an unmistakable look that would become emblematic of 1950s American cars. The front grille was redesigned with a wide-open mouth, flanked by dual headlamps and a heavy chrome bumper, creating a bold and confident face. The hood was adorned with twin rockets, contributing to its futuristic look. The use of chrome was generous across the car, especially on the bumper's window surrounds and side moldings, which added to its upscale feel. The Bel Air was available in a wide range of two-tone and monotone color combinations that further enhanced its curb appeal. Inside the 1957 Bel Air was just as stylish and advanced for its time. The interior featured premium materials and a two-tone color scheme that complemented the exterior. Vinyl and cloth seats were standard, and the dashboard was finished with bright trim and a symmetrical layout. The instrument cluster featured a sweeping speedometer and gauges that were easy to read, while the steering wheel was large and elegant, with a horn ring that added a touch of sophistication. Standard features on the Bel Air included an electric clock, dual sun visors, and cigarette lighters. Optional equipment could include power steering, power brakes, power windows, and even an air conditioner, which was considered a luxury at the time. The attention to detail in the interior reflected Chevrolet's ambition to create a car that felt luxurious but remained affordable for the average American family. Under the hood, the 1957 Bel Air was available with a variety of engine options, ranging from the base inline 6-cylinder to a powerful small-block V8. The most notable engine offering was the 283 cubic inch V8 with the optional fuel injection system. This was the first time Chevrolet offered a fuel-injected engine in a passenger car, and it produced up to 283 horsepower, effectively achieving the then remarkable benchmark of 1 horsepower per cubic inch. Buyers could also choose from several transmission options, including a 3-speed manual, a 2-speed Power Glide automatic, or the new Turbo Glide continuously variable automatic transmission. The combination of powerful engines and smooth transmissions made the Bel Air a pleasure to drive, whether cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets. Driving dynamics were considered very good for the era, with a well-balanced suspension system that provided a comfortable ride and respectable handling. The front used independent coil springs, while the rear had leaf springs and a solid axle. Braking was handled by drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which was typical of the time. Although power assist was available as an option, the Bel Air also made its mark on pop culture, quickly becoming a favorite in movies, music, and American lore. It symbolized prosperity, progress, and the new suburban lifestyle that many Americans aspired to after World War II. This cultural relevance contributed to the car's legendary status and made it a must-have for classic car collectors and restorers decades later. Today, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air remains a sought-after classic. Its distinct design features and mechanical innovation